Hi friend, I'm just packing up. Today I'm going to visit my factory. I have a few factories in China and today I'm going to visit the one that close to me, close to my home of course. And I'm gonna check on our spring production. So spring release is always one of the big one for our company, for my little small business. And I'm just excited to see because I heard they got new machine and they got a new production system. So I'm excited to check it out. I'm gonna bring with you today. Ready to go. Super windy. 2.5 hours later, we are here. We are arrived at the factory. Gonna have some lunch first. Right here. Hey guys, we're here at the factory. We are going to take a tour to see how our spring PT tapes. I'm excited. I haven't seen them yet, but the factory said they are in production, so we're going to take a look. So we got to see the 70 quality top 5. This is the total amount of tapes. Oh, this is where all the orders. So cool. I love to see how everything is in control and everybody knows what's going on. So where is they process the extra leftover material? It's in here and they were going to compose it and destroy it together in this black box. So no design, original files, images will be leaked. So guess what we do it here? The factory has this wall with color samples. When I make a PET, I will make a sample and then they will store the sample here. This is not mine, but it's just example, and they will store the sample images to match with the production, so no color will look distorted or blurry or anything. So this is the sample wall with many hundreds of different brands. Also, it's the recent 3 months. You got to see different design. See this one? Ooh, it's very pretty. So we're here in the production line. As you can see, lots of machines going on. Look at what I see! Woohoo! Oh my god, it's so cool! So this is the first step where you see it is transparent first, it's clear. Then this is where the top layer where you can make our PT matte. And then it go through here to add the matte layer from transparent to matte. Can you guess which PT is this one? Check this out. This is our new washi tips. You know, we have a lot of PET, but we never have washi. And this time, we're gonna have some washi rolls for you. So cool to see they're in production, right? So cool. Those are Japanese washi paper. So we provide you the best option. And you can see this one also. That's junctional style washi. Check this out. I cannot wait to use them already. So the guy told me because the washi paper is so thin, you can barely see the cutting line. Now let's take a look here. What's going on here? Oh, this girl, she's checking the production, quality control. So guys, what do you think? Is that so cool? Very, very exciting and very just informative to know how each little PET tapes or washi tapes are made. So very excited. and very just like see your product on the production line and making it just make me so excited to launch the spring collection. And I hope you will be excited like me too. They are about to finish, so let's come quickly. We are starting now. Now she's cutting the long big roll into the small roll. This is my first time seeing those things also. Now she's putting the one that already separated back to the bin for final packaging. Now take a look. She's putting them all together now. This is one of our upcoming release as well. You got to see them in person, not in person, but first hand, beautiful days. Oh, if you love a bow, this is the one for you. Oh, so many. Let's take a look. So she's going to do QC. It's gonna open it. Wow, so fast. So can you imagine each one of them packaged by a human hands? I thought this is all done by machine, but it's by this lady. So cool. And you see there's a whole line of people are working. Okay, so guys, we are here in another department. Oh my god, this is my dream. Look at that. Look at those. Don't we all want a wall like that? It's crazy. This is a whole washi PET wall. Crazy. I want to ask you to see those. Those are all made with those PET tapes. And they made it into like a piece of art with different PET tape. And they build up the layers so it become a PET art. 3D too. It has different layers. And it is a true piece of art to frame at home. It's pretty cool. Look at that. So stunning. So now I'm going to say hi to my designer. 你好，你好，你好，你好。Thank you.
You are welcome.
I love your office. So cute. Look at his office. He is the designer that helped me arrange the design and fix any mistakes. So look at his office. So cute. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.
Bye.
I'm back to the conference room. This is where we met the first time. Look, there's our hands. Hi friend, we are back. So what do you think? Today's factory tour. I am really happy and grateful to see them, to see how everything was made. So really just a lot to take in, and I'm so happy to got to see the whole experience. So I hope you enjoy this video as well, the behind the scene, because as you know, I live in the US. I don't visit the factory very often, so I love this opportunity to be able to visit them while I'm here. So I hope you enjoy, and if you are interested in our one of the biggest release every year we do is the spring release, make sure you join the waitlist. I'm gonna put them down below. The spots always fill fast, and we always have less than what the people are waiting for, so make sure you get in and you will be the first one to know when we release them. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye.